Alright, so here is the best way on how you can summarize any YouTube video with ChatGPT. So, first up, what you need to do is just simply head over to your web browser and find the video that you want to summarize on ChatGPT. So let's say I want to summarize this video right over here. It says I turned $100 into $2,737 in a week. So what you have to do first of all is just copy the video's name and just say, can you summarize this YouTube video for me called by putting the channel name as well, FXLXG, and just do that. And it'll search. So here, as you can see, it found the video and everything, and it will give you the summary. But let's say if it can't find the video, what you can do is just simply copy the link of the video and paste it in. Here's the link. If it says it could not find the video, you can just put in the link as well to, and it will just investigate the link. And so now you can just say, give me 5 important notes. So you can just ask that and it's just gonna, do that. And it's pretty simple. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.